How to create and share stories on Facebook page. If any day you would like to create and share stories on Facebook page, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Facebook on your mobile device. In order to do so, you have to tap on Facebook there, and after that your Facebook will be launched on your mobile device. After that, you see this home screen of the Facebook page that you are trying to go to, and you can see the plus icon on the top. Now you have to tap on the plus icon on the top and you can see the option of the post, story, reel, live and upload video. Since we are trying to create story and share the stories, we have to tap on the option on stories. Now when we tap on the option of stories, we can see an interface like this. Now from our very mobile device, we can choose the very photo that we like to keep or any of the video that we would like to share as our story. Now just I tap on the first video. After tapping on that, you can see the option of sticker, text, stream and all of these. For example, the longer videos will be certain to 60 seconds after we go to the option of trim. And if you want to trim it, you can go and trim it, and then you can go to the option of share, and this way your very video will be shared. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really liked our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.